Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly groundbreaking. Picture a world where robots help you around the house, flying cars zip through the sky, and AI solutions make your daily life smoother. Sounds like sci-fi. Well, XPeng is turning that vision into reality, and they just unveiled their exciting plans at the 2024 AI Day event. Around us we break down their new AI advancements, ambitious flying car projects, and their strategy to become a global tech leader. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on the latest tech innovations and breakthroughs. Trust me, you won't want to miss what XPeng has in store for the future. Let's start with one of the standout highlights from XPeng's AI Day, their humanoid robot, Ion. Unveiled in Guangzhou, Ion stands at 178 centimeters, about 5 feet 10, and weighs 70 kilograms, closely matching human proportions. But Ion is more than just a lifelike figure. It's actively working in XPeng's factories, assisting in assembling vehicles like the P7 Plus electric model. What sets Ion apart is its incredible mobility and dexterity. With over 60 joints and 100 degrees of freedom, Ion can perform complex, human-like movements with ease. Its hands alone have 15 degrees of freedom, allowing it to pick up, grasp, and handle objects with impressive precision. This makes Ion an invaluable asset for tasks that require both strength and finesse. Ion is equipped with sophisticated sensors, including visual, auditory, and tactile capabilities that allow it to interact intuitively with its environment. It can recognize human speech, interpret commands, and respond appropriately, making it highly versatile in dynamic settings. In the factory, for instance, Ion can seamlessly switch between different tasks, such as transporting materials, quality control inspections, and handling delicate components without causing damage. At the core of Ion's capabilities is XPeng's custom-built Turing AI chip. This powerful processor has 40 cores and supports up to 30 billion parameters, enabling Ion to think, adapt, and make real-time decisions. With a processing power of 3,000 teraflops per second, the Turing chip is optimized for both robotics and AI-driven vehicles, ensuring Ion can handle a variety of tasks across different environments. The chip's advanced learning algorithms also allow Ion to improve its efficiency over time by learning from its experiences, which further enhances its productivity and reliability. But XPeng's vision for Ion goes beyond the factory. They're planning to integrate Ion into retail spaces, offices, and even homes. Imagine Ion helping with customer service in stores, managing tasks in offices, or assisting with household chores at home. In retail settings, Ion could help customers find products, offer recommendations, and even manage checkout processes, all while maintaining an engaging, customer-friendly demeanor. In offices, Ion could handle mundane tasks like document organization, equipment maintenance, and even delivering items between departments, freeing up human employees to focus on more creative and strategic responsibilities. At home, Ion could serve as a multifunctional assistant, cleaning, cooking, or even helping elderly residents with mobility challenges. This aligns with industry trends similar to Tesla's Optimus robot, showcasing how XPeng is leveraging its electric vehicles and AI expertise to advance robotics. By integrating robots like Ion into multiple aspects of daily life, XPeng aims to not only improve convenience, but also address labor shortages, boost efficiency, and redefine how we interact with technology on a fundamental level. Ion's capabilities represent a bold step towards a future where human-robot collaboration becomes an everyday reality, enhancing productivity and improving quality of life across different sectors. Next up, let's talk about XPeng's advancements in autonomous driving. The same Turing AI chip powering Ion is also the brain behind XPeng's Kangai platform, designed for Level 4 autonomous driving. This means XPeng's vehicles can handle almost all driving tasks without human intervention, though a driver can take over if needed. XPeng is aiming to launch a robotaxi service that operates entirely autonomously. Imagine hopping into a self-driving taxi that navigates traffic, optimizes routes, and ensures your safety all without a human driver. This could significantly reduce traffic congestion and accidents caused by human error. A key feature of XPeng's autonomous vehicles is the Hawkeye Pure Vision system, which offers a 720-degree field of view. This eliminates blind spots and allows the system to detect and respond to obstacles with high accuracy. Combined with the Turing chip's processing power, XPeng's autonomous vehicles can handle complex driving scenarios smoothly and safely. Now, let's shift to XPeng's electric vehicle innovations. They introduced the Hunan Super Electric System, which uses advanced silicon carbide SiC technology to boost energy efficiency and extend driving ranges. XPeng electric vehicles with this system can travel up to 1,400 kilometers on a single charge, while surpassing most current electric vehicles and addressing the common issue of range anxiety. Additionally, XPeng unveiled their 5C fast charging technology. With this, their electric vehicles can charge from 10% to 80% in just 12 minutes. Imagine grabbing a coffee and having your car ready to go in the time it takes to enjoy your drink. This rapid charging makes long-distance travel much more practical and convenient, but XPeng isn't stopping at the ground. They're taking to the skies with their Aero project, focusing on electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicles and hybrid flying cars, set to launch in 2026. XPeng showcased two types of flying cars: the modular flying car, which can charge through a parent vehicle, essentially a mobile charging station that docks and recharges the flying car's batteries. This makes charging more flexible and scalable. The second type is the tilt-rotor flying car, designed to carry 6 passengers over 500 kilometers at speeds up to 360 kilometers per hour. Priced around $179,000, these flying cars aim to offer a premium option for urban and intercity travel, seamlessly transitioning between vertical takeoff and horizontal flight. XPeng is moving beyond concepts by scheduling public flight demonstrations and planning to open pre-orders soon, showing their commitment to making urban air travel a reality. XPeng's ambitions extend globally as well, currently operating in 30 countries with 145 after-sales centers worldwide. XPeng aims to expand to 60 countries by 2025. This global expansion allows them to tap into diverse markets, leverage international talent, and better serve a worldwide customer base. By establishing a robust international presence, XPeng is positioning itself as a leader in various tech sectors, including electric vehicles, AI, robotics, and flying cars. Their strategy ensures that these innovations are accessible to a global audience, fostering a more connected and technologically advanced world. So, what does all this mean? XPeng isn't just keeping up with tech trends, they're setting them. Their innovations in humanoid robotics, autonomous driving, electric vehicles, and flying cars are pushing the boundaries of what's possible and opening up new possibilities for the future. For consumers, this translates to smarter, more versatile products that integrate seamlessly into daily life. For industries, XPeng's advancements offer opportunities for increased efficiency, automation, and new business models. Moreover, XPeng's global reach ensures these technologies are accessible worldwide, promoting a more connected and advanced global society. As XPeng continues to innovate, we can expect even more exciting developments that will shape how we live, work, and move. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think about XPeng's latest tech moves? Could these advancements truly redefine our future? Are you excited about flying cars or having humanoid robots assist you daily? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. If you enjoyed this deep dive, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more insights into the latest in AI, robotics, electric vehicles, and beyond. Thanks for watching and stay curious.